Is the Bharti AXA Life Saral pension plan a safe retirement solution or just another low return insurance product in disguise? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. So hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in. So where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now before we analyze this policy, let us first understand few basic details about it. So this is a single premium, non-linked, non-participating individual immediate annuity plan. Now let us take a look at some of the key features of the policy. So you make a one-time investment and receive a fixed guaranteed annuity payout for the rest of your life. And you continue the guaranteed annuity income to your spouse after your lifetime, ensuring financial continuity. So you get to choose to receive your annuity payments on a monthly, quarterly, half-yearly or annual basis depending on your cash flow requirements. Upon the death of the annuitant or the last surviving annuitant under the joint life option, 100% of the purchase price is returned to the nominee. So a one-time premium payment is sufficient to initiate the annuity, after which regular payouts commence as per the selected option. So now let us take a look at the benefits, like annuity options especially. So they have given you benefits like death benefit, survival benefit, but it will differ based on the plan variant you have opted for. So there is a plan variant called single life annuity, another variant called joint life annuity. So now let us take a look at the advantages. So a loan can be availed under this policy after completion of 6 months from the date of commencement, which can be subjected to applicable terms and conditions. So higher purchase amounts qualify for an incremental incentive, where a specified percentage is added to the annuity rate, thereby enhancing the annuity payout. So what are the disadvantages then? Your annuity payments are fully taxable, the annuity is not adjusted for inflation, and limited annuity options to choose from. So this plan can be surrendered only under specified conditions. So these are some of the drawbacks. So now, as we have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. So let us assume that a 60-year-old male has invested 8 lakhs under option 1, life annuity with return of 100% of purchase price. So the plan here pays an annual annuity of 43,570 rupees. So upon the annuitant's demise, the original 8 lakh purchase price is refunded to the nominee. And if we assume a life expectancy of 85 years, that is 25 years of annuity income, the IRR for this cash flow works out to be approximately 5.34% per annum as per the Bharti policy's maturity calculator. So from a retirement planning standpoint, this return is modest, and more importantly, the annuity payout is fixed for life and does not provide you with any escalation to offset inflation. Over a 20 to 25 year retirement horizon, inflation significantly erodes purchasing power, particularly given rising healthcare and living expenses. So in such a scenario, a level annuity structure can lead to a steady decline in real income. A product offering a step-up or inflation-linked payout would better align with long-term retirement income sustainability. And further, annuity products inherently lack liquidity. Once a purchase price is deployed, the corpus is effectively locked in. Access is highly restricted and generally limited to specific contingencies or payable to nominees upon death. So this rigidity reduces financial flexibility during retirement. So considering the relatively low IRR, there is the absence of inflation protection and limited liquidity. So this policy may not be an efficient vehicle for comprehensive retirement income planning. So this return analysis indicates here that this plan may not adequately support our long-term retirement expenses. So now let us take a look at other fixed income investments. So fixed income instruments provide you with predictable and regular income similar to annuity products, but often at a more competitive rates. Like for example, there are senior citizen savings scheme, bank FD, RBI floating rate bonds, which all gives you returns somewhere between 7 to 8%. But the thing is, while these options deliver stable cash flows, they do not inherently solve the problem of inflation. To generate income that keeps pace with the rising costs, a balanced allocation between equity and debt becomes critical. So let us consider our earlier example of a retiree with an 8 lakh corpus and an initial annual withdrawal of 43,570 rupees, which is equivalent to the annuity income under the Saral pension plan for a more inflation adjusted income strategy. So here in our portfolio strategy, we are going to allocate 60% to equity and 40% to debt. That means 4.8 lakhs is allocated to equity to capture long-term growth, and 3.2 lakhs is invested in debt instruments to fund near-term withdrawals. So there is an assumed return of 12% per annum from equity and 6% per annum from debt. And for the inflation-adjusted withdrawal framework, we are initially going to make an annual withdrawal of 43,570 rupees, which in where we are going to increase the withdrawal by 6% every 5 years to partially offset inflation. So every 5 years, gains from equity are transferred to debt to replenish the income bucket. By age 71, the remaining equity exposure is gradually shifted towards debt to reduce volatility and to enhance capital stability. So under this structure, by age 85, the retiree would still have approximately 18 lakhs remaining, more than twice the original corpus. This significantly outperforms the annuity-based outcome while also preserving liquidity and ownership of the corpus throughout retirement. Importantly, the 60:40 allocation and the timing of rebalancing are not rigid. They can be customized based on individual risk appetite, health profile, income needs, and legacy goals. So the diversified strategy illustrates a more efficient deployment of retirement capital, offering inflation-adjusted income, capital growth potential, and liquidity. So these are advantages that a fixed annuity product like Bharti policy does not provide. So what is the final verdict on Bharti AXA Life Saral pension plan? Is it worth investing or not? So this policy provides you with a predictable income, but the absence of flexibility is a material limitation. Once the purchase price is deployed, the corpus is effectively locked in, restricting access during medical emergencies or other unforeseen expenses. Such rigidity does not align well with the evolving financial demands of retirement. A dependable post-retirement income stream is undeniably important to sustain lifestyle expenses and contingencies. However, a fixed annuity structure fails to address inflation risk, and it also has a high agent commission. Over time, rising living and healthcare costs erode purchasing power, while the locked-in corpus limits strategic adjustments. So the combination of fixed payouts and restricted liquidity makes the structure suboptimal by comprehensive retirement planning. A diversified portfolio approach supported by disciplined rebalancing presents a more efficient alternative. So by allocating assets across equity and debt, retirees can pursue growth to counter inflation while maintaining stability for regular withdrawals. This framework can be tailored to individual risk tolerance, income requirements, and legacy objectives, ensuring that the corpus remains sustainable throughout retirement and potentially beyond. So retirement planning is a critical pillar of long-term financial security. Its standardized annuity products often fail to accommodate the varied needs of retirees.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.